everyone. Welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In this video today, I will be teaching you how to use Microsoft Word. Before I move into how to use Microsoft Word, let's first go into how to open Microsoft Word on your system. So, to open Microsoft Word on your system, there are a lot of ways to open Microsoft Word on your system. Firstly, you can open it through your desktop, which is this one here. Right click, open. If you can see Microsoft Word anywhere on your desktop, you can just right click and open the MS Word document. So I'll open this MS Word document right now. So it's loading. It's loading. So here is the MS Word. So since you open this one, you can just click on File, then New. Just click on the blank document to open a new blank document. So for instance, I will close this right now. Maybe you want to open MS Word and you can't find the MS Word file or document on the desktop icon. What you can do is just come to this search button here and type the MS Word. Then this is it here, MS Word. You can click on Open. So those are the, when you click on Open, you can click on the blank document. So those are the two ways to open MS Word documents on your computer. So before we go into the MS Word, let's check what is the meaning of MS Word. Microsoft Word or MS Word, often called Word, is a graphical word processing program that user can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. Its purpose is to allow user to type and save documents. So MS Word is mainly used for typing, typesetting in a better way. That's just the meaning of Microsoft Word. Now that we understand the meaning of Microsoft Word, let's now go into the title of Microsoft Word. So let's look at the bars in Microsoft Word. The environment in Microsoft Word. So here, as you can see the mouse, you can see the mouse scrolling about. So I'll be pointing at the bars and their name. So here is the title bar. The title bar, this is the title bar Then here is the menu bar where you have the file, home, insert, design, layout is a menu bar. Then here is the formatting bar where you see all these calibra. All this is the formatting bar. Here is the cursor. This one pointing, the dot pointing is the cursor. And the white sheet is the document sheet. Or they call it paper. So here is the status bar. And there's one thing that's supposed to be here, which is not there, which is the ruler. It's also important to have this when you are working on Microsoft Word. So here is the zoom bar. So the ruler bar that is not here, we have to add it because it's one of the important things while working on Microsoft Word. So to add the ruler button, click on the view, then click on ruler. As you can see, the ruler button is there right now. This is the ruler button. So those are the important bar you have to know in Microsoft Word. So the next thing is now to work on the formatting bar, how to use Microsoft Word. All right, so let's check on the formatting bar and how to use Microsoft Word. So let's start with this box here, the font, which is called, everything here is applied to the font of MS Word. So let's type something. All right, so here in MS Word, before you can apply any effect to a text in Microsoft Word, what you have to do is to highlight the text first. So for example, I want to change the font type, which is the writing of what I type here. What I have to do is just to highlight it, press your click button down, then select. That's how to highlight. You can highlight all of this, as you can see. So just highlight it, then come here, click on this arrow and choose any font of your choice. As you can see, there are different type of fonts there. So that's how to change the font in MS Word. So to increase the font size in Microsoft Word, highlight the text you want to increase the font size, then come here to this arrow. You can choose any font size of your choice. 36, it's very, can reduce it, 14. So normal font size using Microsoft Word is between 12. 12, you have to highlight it first, then 12 to 14. And again, it depends on what you are working on. But if you are just doing normal typing or letter, you can use 12. So right now, this is how to change the font size. You can change it to any one of your choice. So we've done this and this. Then here is how to increase the font size also. If you don't want to use this, you can use this to increase the font size. It's still the same thing. So I'll just click, you just highlight your text and click on it. As you can see, to increase. You can also use this other one to reduce the font size or decrease the font size. So just tap on it. So that's how to increase and decrease the font size. The next thing we'll be looking at is change. Okay, before we go here, let's come down here. Here is how to bold a document, a text in Microsoft Word. So to bold a text also, you have to highlight the text you want to bold. Let's say I just want to bold only this MS Word. I highlight it, then I click on the bold button. Bold. So as you can see that this one here is different to this. But if you look at it, it has the same size. As you can see, this one is 12 and 24, and here also is 24. 24. So that's how to bold a document in Microsoft Word. Also, to unbold the text in Microsoft Word, highlight it, then select the bold button. So it has been unbold. To bold, just select, click on it. To unbold, also highlight and click on it. So that's how to bold and unbold in Microsoft Word. The next one we have to move to is the italic. So to italic a word, you highlight the document, the text, and click on this eye here. Italicize your text. So you click on it. As you can see, the one I select has been italicized. So this is how to italicize your document in Microsoft Word. So if you want to remove the italic, just select. You can select only this, then click on it. This one is the normal one, and this is italic. I also select this one to remove it. So to underline your text in Microsoft Word, you highlight it and click on the underline. U for underline. As you can see, there's a line at the bottom of the text. So to remove the underline, highlight, then click on it. It has been removed. Hope you are getting it. So that's how to remove the underline. So here is the strike through, which is used to cross something out or drawing a line through it. So if you want to cross something out here, if you want to draw a line through this word, just highlight, then click on the strike through. So I'll click on it right now. As you can see, this is strike through. Then to remove the strike through, you highlight it also, then click on it. It will remove. So let me come to go to the next line after typing. Just click on enter. So here I'll be doing what is called subscript and superscript. So to do the subscript, let's say you want to do 2 raised to power 2 or 2 base, let's say 2 raised to 10. Want to do something like 2 raised to power 10 in mathematics. So that's what you call the superscript in Microsoft Word. So to apply the superscript, just select, then come over here, superscript, click on it. As you can see, 2 raised to power 10. So to turn this 10 to normal one, highlight it, then click on it to remove the superscript. Click on it. So it's now normal. So if you want to do 2 base 10, you also highlight. This is what we call the subscript. So you just come here and click on subscript. That's a 2 base 10 in Microsoft Word. To remove it, also highlight it and click on the subscript. So it's now normal. So let's move to the next one, which is the change case. There are 4 types of change case, which are the uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, and capitalize each word. All right. So let me highlight. For example, you want to change all this to capital letter after typing it. Just come down here to this change case. Click on the arrow behind it. Then click on upper. As you can see, all the text has turned to capitalize to capital letter. To change everything to small letter, highlight, click on the change case, then click on lower case. As you can see, all this has changed to small letter. So capitalize, the third one, capitalize E, which is the capitalize each word. The first sentence, the first word in each of these sentences we change to capital letter. So let me apply the effect. As you can see, H, T, U, M, W are now in capital each word. So the last one there, which is the toggle case, the first one will be in the small letter, while other ones will be in capital letters. So let's click on it. As you can see, the first one is small letter and other ones are in capital letter. So the next one, which is the sentence case, this one, only the first letter in the sentence will change to capital letters. So let's go there and change it, which is the sentence case. This is it. So this is the capital case, the change case in MS Word. So here is the, okay, we don't need this for now. So here is the text highlight color. For example, you are making a typing, you are typing a document. When you are typing a document, you want to send a document to someone, or you want to make a quote, or you want to send a document to someone to let the person know that, okay, here in this stage, I want you to take a look at what I type here, or I want you to check the spellings of these words here if they are correct. So what you have to do is just to use the text highlight color. So to use the text highlight color, you can just click on the text highlight color. Okay, to use it, firstly, you can just select the text first, then click on the text highlight color. As you can see, it shows that, okay, there's a mistake here, or this place is very important, or I have a code. I want to quote something here. That's just the text highlight color. Then here, okay, to remove the text highlight color also, select or highlight, then click on it to remove the text highlight color. You can also remove everything if you want. Just select the text and remove. So you can change. You can change the color of this text highlight color. Highlight it. Click on the arrow behind it, then choose any color. So let's move to the next one, which is the font color. So to change the font color in Microsoft Word, highlight the text first, then come to this font color, click on it. As you can see, this is how to change the text color. To change the color to other color, highlight it, click on the arrow beside it, then choose any color of your choice. So we are done with the font in Microsoft Word. This takes us to the end of the first part of this video on how to use MS Word. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to your friends who need this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the second part of this video.